What is life but not the collection of moments? Some are good, some are embarrassing, and some are just there. Maybe they didn't seem important at that time. As times go by, even a small moment can open the floodgates of memories, which turn into the feeling of happiness, joy, and gratitude. Yes, moments are precious, and like any valuable item, they deserve to be treasured and thus have to be stored safely, privately, and securely. Degoo is the next generation experience-driven cloud storage for people who value their moments, as well as all other digital belongings. Degoo indulges you into the world of more, so store as many moments as you want. Comes with military-grade 256-bit AES encryption for your complete peace of mind. Supersonic uploads, transfers, and sharing in real time in a way you've never experienced before. With Degoo, there is so much more to explore. Don't wait. Join today. Discover your life like never before, only with Degoo. Expect more.